I'm so excited. Obviously, I have been chosen for Chevening. Yay! I'm so excited, guys. Like, now this is like a dream come true, and we've been on this journey for like a year now, and finally we are here. I've been chosen for Chevening. It's my friend that's making me laugh. Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have been chosen for Chevening. I'm so excited, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kusema. You can call me Kuskus, and here on this channel I share insights on career advancement, personal development and lifestyle. And today on this channel I would be taking you through the Chevening application process, the Chevening Scholarship Application process. So let me just give out a disclaimer, because all the information I'm going to share here are based on my personal views, my personal experiences, and not that of Chevening Secretariat or any other organization. Okay, so now that that has been said, and you guys know that, okay, so my Chevening journey started like last year, like over a year now, and the whole application process is quite a lot, and I've been getting so many questions these days. I want to apply for Chevening. How did you apply? If I come and apply for me, so many questions. That is why I decided to bring this video to bring, to break down all the what the application entails. I'll just give you guys everything about the application from start, what you're expected to do, and all of that. So if you are interested in becoming a Chevening scholar, you definitely do need to keep watching this video. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, now is the time. Like, seriously, if you don't subscribe to this channel, how would you enjoy all the contents that I bring to you every Friday at noon? So subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for the support, thank you for the like, thank you for the comment, thank you for always sharing my videos to people that my contents will help. Like I said earlier, I'm just going to take you through the overview of the Chevening application process. It's not, I wouldn't say that it's so difficult. It's not that difficult. I have a clown in front of me in the name of a friend. She's acting drama in front of me. Oh my God. Please ignore her. I'll try to calm down, because she's just okay, so I'm just going to give an overview of the Chevening application process. So basically, the application process takes like 1 year. My application process took from August of last year, 2019, and till about July of 2020. That's when you get the outcome of your Chevening application. This year's application started, was opened on the 3rd of September 2020, and it will span till 3rd of November 2020. So before I go to what the application entails, let me just give a brief overview of the Chevening application, or the Chevening Scholarship. The Chevening Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship that sponsors individuals from developing countries to UK universities. It is fully funded. It takes care of your tuition, your living expenses, your travel allowance, and everything you need for your academic program. It is for postgraduate studies only, and it is for individuals that are able to demonstrate that they have the passion and the capacity to cause a change in their environment. Hey! Okay, so that's it about the Chevening Scholarship. It is a fully funded scholarship, funded by the UK government, and it's only oh God, what kind of person is in front of me? Okay, so before you are able to get the Chevening Scholarship, you must be able to demonstrate leadership capacity and the ability and the capacity, or the drive, to cause a change in your environment. For the eligibility requirements, you have to come from a developing country. You have to have 2 years work experience. you have to be able to get an admission into a UK school, into a UK university, and you have to be able to demonstrate leadership capacity. I cannot stop talking about the ability to demonstrate leadership capacity. And okay, so that's it for the eligibility requirements. You must be able to apply to 3 UK universities and be offered an admission into at least 1 university. I already made a video about different scholarships for studies in UK, US, Canada, Australia, Germany, Japan, like so much. You should go watch those videos. Like there are 2 videos, my 2 previous videos. I'd advise you to go watch them so that you will have options for lots and lots of other scholarships available to you. And I'm just going to go straight to the document checklist. So let me just talk about the application and then I'll go straight to the document checklist. So because the application has, opened on 3rd September 2020, it is if you want to apply for the Chevening Scholarship, all you need to do is to visit the Chevening Scholarship website, www.chevening.org. I'm going to drop it in the comments or in the description box so that you can just click and go straight to the application website. What you need to do is to sign up, and then you get your password and your username, and then your application portal will be created. You will be given an application number, and then you can begin your application. You will be asked to fill in your contact details, your personal details, your educational details, your professional details, your work and work experience, your every other thing that makes you up as an individual, as a leader, as a professional in your field that you are. And then when you're done filling all this information, you would also be asked to answer 4 standard essay questions. So the Chevening application has 4 standard essay questions that you have to answer. So these essays have 500-word limits. We have the leadership essay. That essay is trying to see your leadership capacity, your leadership potentials, what you have been doing before, and what you hope to do. And then the networking essay, your ability to demonstrate your networking ability. And then why do you want to study in the UK? That's the study in UK question, the study in UK essay. You have to be able to state the reasons why you should be funded to study in the UK. And then your career, the last essay question is your career plans. So all of this, each of these questions would allow you to express yourself in 500-word max limits. And that's it for the application questions. And then we'll move straight to the document checklist. Before you can submit your application, you'll be expected to upload your transcripts, like the transcript from your undergraduate studies. Don't forget that the Chevening Scholarship is a postgraduate scholarship. So for you to get a postgraduate funding, you will be asked to submit the transcripts from your undergraduate university. You will be asked to submit your degree certificates, your qualifications, your certifications, anyone that you have and you think would go a long way to push your chances of becoming a Chevening scholar. You will be asked to submit your the data page of your international passport, and then you will also be asked to submit reference letters. Remember that I have a video on how to obtain professional and academic references and to whom you should obtain your references from. It is a very important application and you shouldn't get your references from just anybody. I think you should visit that video. I'm going to drop it here in the card just here, so that when you're done watching this video, you can just go ahead and watch that video so that you know to whom you should obtain your reference letters. Okay, at the point of the application deadline, so the application deadline for this year is 3rd November. So once you're done with your essays, with your degree certificate, uploading all those documents, you can submit it. But the thing is, at the application deadline, you are not required, it's not compulsory, it's not mandatory for you to submit an offer of admission and your reference letters. So they will always give you a further date. God, English is hard. They will always give you a further deadline to submit your letters of references and your offer of admission. So you need to check the website and the requirements so that you will know when exactly you should submit each of those documents. So that's it for the document checklist for your application. I've already said the application process and all of that. Guys, the Chevening application, like I have said earlier, takes a whole year, takes 1 year. It's not an application that you have to rush into and rush out, because if you rush into it, you're definitely going to rush out. I would advise you that before you begin the application, visit the Chevening the Chevening Scholarship website, read everything about the scholarship, read the frequently asked questions, and then so that you have an idea of what you're expected to do. So before you submit your application, when it has to do with your course of study and the universities, you will be asked to choose at least 3 UK universities and 3 similar or different courses, as the case may be, so that you would apply. You would be asked to provide this information in your application. I would advise you that you should first begin your course search on the Chevening website, because there is a part of the website that will lead you to searching for UK partner universities, and you can search the course of your choice. This is because the Chevening Scholarship funds 80% of your tuition, and the university is expected to fund 20% of your tuition. So I would advise you that if out of your 3 universities, you should pick at least 2 partner universities, so that, because there are circumstances that you would have, you may have admissions and you have a first choice and you choose, and then they decline the payment of the 20% tuition, which is very unlikely though. But then please do not go and choose all 3 universities that are not partner universities to the Chevening Scholarship. And there are a host of universities in the UK that partner and support the course of the Chevening Scholarship. And so when you're choosing your universities, you have to be very cautious. You have to be careful so that you will not regret in future. If you are not able to see the best choice on the universities on the Chevening application, then you can go ahead to get universities outside, but I doubt that you will not, because there are a host of universities on that website. Okay, so that's it for the application process. When you submit your application, you have to wait for the outcome, and the outcome of your application will determine if you would progress to the interview stage or not. The feedback comes via email. That is always usually around early February. In my time, it was around late, is it early or late February? But it was around February. I don't know what timelines they are giving you. There are always provisions for different timelines for the application process. So I would advise that you check the Chevening website to identify the timelines for the 2021 application process. So when you are, when you've gotten your feedback, if your application had progressed to the interview level, you'll be advised to go to your portal and to register for an interview. You will secure an interview date and register. When you're done with your interview, when you go for your interview and you're back, it's gonna be another wait period, but not too long though. So when you're back from your interview, you have to hold on, and then after a while, maybe the outcome of my interview actually came in May. I don't know, it's still going to be around that period for the 2020 applications, but like I said, you should always consult your manual, the application timeline that is currently on the website. The day that my interview outcome came, God, I know that was going to be a story for another day, guys. It's going to be a story for another day. You know how you wait, and then you're tired of waiting, and then you're like, okay, let me just calm down, and what will be will be. Oh my God, the day that the outcome came, I could not even express how much excited I was. Like, guys, you don't know what that means. Anyways, we'll talk about that in subsequent videos. And yeah, so after the outcome of the application, then you would then progress to the last stage of the application, which is for you to fulfill all the outstanding requirements. Maybe you have to provide your unconditional letter of admission, unconditional offer of admission from at least one of those universities that you applied to. You have to fulfill every other. If there were documents that you did not upload, you have to upload them, and make sure that you get a final award letter. And once you get your final award letter, congratulations, you are now a Chevening scholar. I wish you guys all the best, guys, because it could, you know, when you're looking forward to something for so long, you know, you could just, you need God. You just need God. You need God for the wait. So that's just it about the overview of the Chevening application process. I don't think it's very difficult. Like I said, the Chevening Scholarship Application website is very easy to navigate. Very easy. In fact, everything you need for that scholarship is on that website. If I were you, I would dwell on that website all the days of my application. I would dwell on that website throughout the application process because the website answers almost all your questions. They are very caring. They understand the demands of the applicant, so they always make sure to update the website on all the information that they need. If you're looking forward to applying to Chevening Scholarship, the application window has opened, like I said, from 3rd September to 3rd November of 2020. And you should begin your process, but do not, I would advise you that you should first go and study the website, know what the scholarship is about, know the eligibility requirements before you even begin your application. That way, you would avoid unnecessary obstacles during your application process. I hope you've learned something from this video. If you have done so, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to all the people you know are interested in applying to the Chevening Scholarship. And also, if you have any questions, I'm going to be doing a Q&A for the Chevening application. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section or any of my social media handles or any of my, you know, just drop any questions you have. I would gather them and I'll come up with a Q&A session for the Chevening application. Also, if there are any other issues you want me to address for the Chevening application, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll do that just for you. That's why you have me here. I'm your forerunner. Use me. Ask me any question about the Chevening application, drop it in the comment section, and if I get lots of requests on a particular topic, I'll definitely do a video on that topic. Well, I'm also going to do, my next video is definitely going to be about how you should answer your Chevening application essay questions. Those 4 standard essay questions. I'm definitely going to do a video explaining what you should do, how you should answer your questions in order to get, you know, upper hand. I'm not guaranteeing that whatever I tell you is what you should do. I'm not saying that if you do everything I say that you will get the Chevening Scholarship. I am only using my experience. The things I'm sharing with you now are the things I did to be here, to become a Chevening scholar. So I'm just giving this information out there. You have the discretion either to take it or to leave it. It's your life. It's a free world. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know other videos or other things or other issues you want me to address in my next video. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've watched this video to this point, damn, you're not doing well. Subscribe to this channel, and once you do that, do well to click the notification bell so that when I post, you will be notified. So I'm going to also be dropping tips on my social media. Do well to follow me on Instagram at I am Couscous, Twitter is Kuseme Ise, LinkedIn is Kuseme Ise, and Facebook is Kuseme Ise as well. It's only Instagram that is I am Couscous. So I'll also be dropping tips there, and I would advise you that you should follow me on those platforms, and I would be delighted to grant your request. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel. We'll do well to watch other videos of mine, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.
See, if you like say I
You need to ginger me.
dance for you.
What is stop?